Hello, my SEOs. It looks like Meta is feeling the pinch because it's pausing its revenue share in Reels and launching a new verification checkmark in the US. And TikTok gears up to battle the government from the ban that is inching closer and closer. My name is Kiko and welcome to this Monday episode of This Week in SEO News, brought to you by PosiRank.com. Meta has now decided it's making a new Meta Verify program for their blue checkmark in the US, which means now you can buy your verification blue checkmark in the US for $11.99 on the web or $14.99 in the app per month. And that's per account, per platform. So technically it will be $23.98 per month. This approval allows you to get access to a verification ticket on Facebook or Instagram, proactive account protection from impersonations, dedicated account support from Meta teams, exclusive tickets from Facebook and Instagram stories and Facebook Reels, and 100 stars a month allocated to other creators on Facebook. And who knows if they're doing it because they're copying Twitter or just because they've been losing so much money in ads in the past year. However, all I know is what happened with Twitter, and if that's any indication, I'm pretty sure we're gonna see some pretty hilarious things. And to be honest, the verification process has already been kind of iffy. So I feel that this is adding to their needless features pile that Facebook and Instagram has been trying to roll out, which is even more hurtful when you find out that Meta paused their Reels bonus program in the US. I know, it seems like the US is just getting hit everywhere. The move comes as little surprise given the challenges that all platforms have had in implementing effective short-form monetization programs, including YouTube's new revenue share model for shorts, TikTok's subscriptions offering, series, and Meta's working on ad revenue share for their Reels. Meta wants to match YouTube's revenue program, so it will continue expanding its ads on Facebook Reels and grow virtual gifts via stars on Reels. However, YouTube's partner program and Shorts monetization system are currently the best monetization potential for creators overall. And that is because YouTube Shorts leads viewers to creators' longer form content, which is their bread and butter at YouTube. Meta is putting pressure on its own team to come up with a better system to replace the creators' fund, which is still a long way away from being a valuable pathway. And lastly, TikTok is working to assure advertisers that everything will be okay, while also rallying support from high-profile users, even though the government's national security concerns haven't been addressed. TikTok creators will descend on Washington, D.C. for 3 days this week and hold a press conference on Capitol Hill. I really wonder if Charli D'Amelio is gonna just dance her way through a filibuster. Be kind of cool. The ban comes as fears of TikTok, which is owned by the Chinese company ByteDance, could be used to gather intel on influential American users to sway public opinion on policies, elections, etc. You know, the things that happened in 2016 by another unknown country. You see, back in December, it was revealed that ByteDance had been spying on several American journalists and had been sharing the location data of these journalists with that of ByteDance employees, which I know doesn't look good, but I have a feeling it was a cat video they were sharing. I get sent those all the time, and I don't even like cats. TikTok CEO Xiaozi Chu is set to appear before the US House Energy and Commerce Committee on Thursday, which could lead to further discussion. It doesn't matter the subject. People are on it, and it's of crucial importance to SEOs. So whatever happens next with TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter is something that is affecting all of us. Well, my SEOs, that's all the news I have for you today. Do you think the blue checkmark will suffer the same hilarious fate as Twitter? Will Meta ever get their revenue share right? And do you think TikTok is going to be banned? Let me know what you think about it in the comments down below. Till next time, my name is Kiko, and I will see you Wednesday.